Oh, we're not going to see it.
This is me with Phoebe.
So, like,
Stuck in the boiler room. What time is it?
4 o'clock. Exactly.
4 o'clock. And I just rang Phoebe's friend and pretended to be Miss B, and it worked.
We had to record it later.
It was like, somebody touched my nose. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no.
You know what? This definitely feels like Bulgarish. Hello.
Hello.
You see up my nose because I've got.
Yeah, quite a bit. You know what you want to do? You do, mate. He's stolen my bed.
Yeah, she smells
The boy stole my bed. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. But look what I've got. Tie.
That's well cool.
It's
oh my god, you can actually proper see it. You know why? Because you've got a light on there.
Well, yeah, genius.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Wow.
Look at the tie. It's Jamie's tie.
Oh man.
He ain't getting his back. I'm sorry. There's a school disco soon.
You know what? I feel quite scared though because this.
Why?
Like it makes you see.
It's like most haunted. Oh my god. Hun, you know what you want to do? You want to put your music on, we're going to dance in the boiler room.
Fucking awesome song. I've got a phone back that cowboy.
No, music first.
Music first.
Music first, people. People.
Which one do you have?
I don't know. What? They're not even saying yet. To the window. To the what? Is it not the same song? Is it the same song?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Let's ready.
Wait, that's fine. Baby, let me try to do it one more time. Get low. To the wall. Yes, she's partying. I'm bored.
Oh. She killed the moment. Shoes. Oh my god. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Shoes. Let's shoes. 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 These shoes suck. These shoes roll. These shoes suck. Shoes. No, your early shoes. Shoes. God, shoes. Shoes roll. These shoes suck. These shoes roll. No. These shoes suck. Shut up. Boy. We're going to post this on YouTube forever. Oh, you just killed the moment, baby. It was built. That's right. You hear it. Move it. I like to move it. I like to move it.